Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an app that's designed to boost your online privacy and browsing performance. It's called MH Tunnel VPN. MH Tunnel VPN provides fast and reliable servers, supports multiple connection protocols, and offers flexible options so you can connect the way that works best for you. Whether you're aiming to stay secure on public Wi-Fi or simply want a smoother internet experience, this app has useful features worth checking out. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide to download, install, and configure MH Tunnel VPN on your Android device. Step-by-step installation guide. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Step 2. In the search bar, type MH Tunnel. Step 3. From the results, look for MH Tunnel VPN. You'll recognize it by its distinct VPN icon. Step 4. Tap Install. Wait a moment for the app to download and install. This may vary based on your internet speed. Step 5. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Initial setup. Step 6. When you launch the app for the first time, it may ask for notification access. This is optional. Feel free to allow or deny it based on your preference. Step 7. Ensure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is enabled. The app may briefly refresh its server list or restart. This is completely normal. Step 8. On the home screen, you'll see two important sections. One for choosing a server, one for selecting a protocol. These allow you to customize your connection for the best experience. Choosing servers and protocols. Step 9. Tap on the server option. A list of available server locations will appear. Choose one that suits your region or connection type. Step 10. Next, tap on the Tweak or Protocol section. Here, you can browse and select from several pre-configured protocols depending on your needs. Step 11. Advanced Users. If you're more experienced and want greater control, tap the Custom Settings option in the top right corner. Step 12. You'll now see advanced protocols such as Slow DNS, V2RAY, and SSL. These may require custom configuration or server details, so if you're unsure, it's best to stick with the default options. Step 13. Once you've selected your desired server and protocol, return to the home screen and tap the big Start button. In just a few seconds, your connection will be established securely through MH Tunnel VPN. Conclusion. And that's it. You're now successfully set up with MH Tunnel VPN on your device. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss out on more tech tutorials and setup guides. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay safe and secure online.